good morning, Porpine. Porpine, I am audible and visible to everyone. Porpine, I am audible and visible to everyone. You all can hear me and see me. Yes, only one good morning from Deboshmi. It is Deboshmi. Yes, others. Porpine, others also say good morning. What is this? We are meeting first day of the week and you are not wishing me. I am saying good morning but you are not answering me. Okay. Now Devporna is saying good morning. One more thing. Yes, everyone mute your microphone. Everyone mute your microphone. Mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. Mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. Soham, switch off your front camera. Listen, don't remove me. And kindly don't touch any of the buttons. Listen, Porpine, don't mute me. Okay? It is written BMS Skype, don't mute that. You have joined properly? It is that official website of ours? Yes, Porpine, every day this is happening with you. Why? You are not doing your class properly, Porpine. Sir, apni डाकून तो सुशांत सर के. Every time they are doing this, I will not tolerate. I will not tolerate this one. This is their everyday's routine. Yes, Ragini. What is this? Ragini, Devporna and Tanishta. What type of emojis you are giving? Let's see, again is this happening? Listen, Musharraf. Don't press the red button. which one is our school's one?
This one. But they are chatting in another group.
Why?
I don't know. They are discussing this type of thing.
Om Reg, switch off your front camera. Om Reg, switch off your front camera. Noyanika also. Switch off your front camera. And kindly don't press the red button. What? What he has told? So how I will do the class if continuously this they are doing? Disconnected. Frequently they are disconnecting. 4 Pine, kindly don't disconnect me. Okay, take out your math magic quickly. Soham, switch off your front camera. Soham Ghosh, switch off your front camera. Yes, take out the math magic quickly. Yesterday, Four Pine. Yes, 4 Pines. Quickly open page 55. We have already discussed page number 54. We have already discussed page number 54. We will start from page number 55. Okay. In page number 54, we have seen that Gappu, as he has different views of the different things. Okay. As he is going higher and higher, he is having the different views. First of all, he was able to see his room. Then second, as he go higher, he is able to see his house. Again higher, when he is going, he can see the locality of his house. Isn't it like this? He is having different views. And when the balloon burst, he just fell down and he was in the railway track in front of that fat cat Monty. Okay, up to this we have already discussed. Now come to the next one. Look at these pictures and discuss why things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other end. You have to say that, or you have to say the reason why the reason that why the railway track as well as the candles. Yes, there are two pictures shown. One is the railway track and one is the candles. You have to say why that in one end you can see that it is narrower and small, but in the other end you can see it is big and wide. Can you say the answer? Can you say the answer? Yes, Om Reg, switch off your front camera. Om Reg, switch off your front camera. Okay, start writing. This question you will write in your copy. The question you will write in your copy, okay? That why things like railway track, why things like railway track look big. At one end, but narrow and small at the other end. Okay, so the answer will be one end of the railway track of the railway track is looking wide, is looking wide and big, while the other end is looking narrow, as both of them are being seen from different distances. That means as the distances are not same, that's why there is a different views for the railway track as well as for the candles also. Okay, that means when you are standing near the railway track, it is looking wide and big, whereas when you are looking to the other end, it is very far away from you, and that's why it is looking very narrow and very small. Okay, same with the candles also. When you are standing near the candles, it is looking wide and big, whereas the other end of the candle, it is looking small and narrow. Okay, now come to the next topic. Match two views of the same pose. Now you have to match the pose. See, this is a top view of a girl in a yoga pose. Yes, with the blue color it is shown that it is the top view of the yoga pose, isn't it? Now only one of the photos below is the correct match of the same yoga pose. Mark it. Now below there are 4 pictures shown. You have to say that which picture is exactly matching with the above one. That means the above one is the top view. So out of these 4 pictures, which is showing the exact pose of the girl? Yes, it is the first one. Okay, so everyone give a tick mark in the first one. The first pose is exactly matching with the top pose. Okay, with the above pose. Now come to the next page, that is page number 56. Everyone come to page number 56. Come to page number 56. In page number 56, come to page number 56. These are 2 different views of the same bowls. First one and the second one. See, there are 2 pictures shown and both have the same views, not same views, different views of the same bowl. Okay, there are 3 different types of bowls shown in picture 1 and in picture 2, but the different views. The first question is, in which photo are the bowls upside down? You have to answer that in which photo is it upside down. So, yes, you all are correct. The answer is second. It is second. So, in the blank you will write second photo. In the blank you will write second photo. Okay. So, in which photo are the bowls upside down? You will write the answer second photo. You will write the answer second photo. Okay. So the bowls are upside down in the second photo. Now look at the side view in photo 3 to find the answer. Yes, the third picture is showing you the side view of the bowls. In first picture you are seeing the top view, in the second picture you are seeing the back view, and in the third picture you are seeing the side view of the bowls. Okay. Now come to the next one. Draw lines to match the side view with the top view of. The side views and top views are given, you have to match it. A pipe. Listen, this is the question, you will do it in your copy. Okay. This you have to draw it, so you will draw in your copy. This question you will draw in your copy. This is page number 56. So you will write a pipe and then you will draw the top view and the side view with the help of a pencil and scale you will draw. Okay. Somewhat like this. So this is the side view, then the top view, will be somewhat like this. So this is the top view of the pipe. Yes, I know I have drawn very bad. But when you will draw, you will kindly draw with the help of the pencil and scale. This is pipe. The funnel you will draw of your own. Okay. Now the next question. Try to draw pictures of a shoe from the side, top, front, etc. This is also homework to you. You will draw in the book. You all know you all are wearing the shoes. So the side view of the shoe, the top view of the shoe and the front view means how it looks from the side or how it looks from the top and from the front. These three views you will draw in the book. Okay, you will draw in the book, the space provided, there you will draw. Now come to the next page. It is page number 57. Come to the next page. It is page number 57. Page number 57. The park behind Gappu's house. I am reading, you listen. The park behind Gappu's house. Do you remember the park behind Gappu's house? Here is a bigger picture of that park. Look at it carefully and answer the questions. Okay, so this is the picture of the park given, that is just behind Gappu's house. See that park and answer some of the questions. Question number 1. Mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. See their sweet shop. It has the red lining on the top. So can you say that the sweet shop is nearer to which gate? Either gate A, gate B, gate C or gate D. Can you answer it? Can you answer it? Page number 57. Answer 1. Sorry. So, mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. Yes, you all are correct. It is gate A. Gate A is near to the sweet shop. Now the next question. Which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Now see Gappu's house. Can you say which gate is nearer to his house? Yes, it will be gate C. It will be gate C. Look at the picture. Everyone look at the picture. Gate C is very near to Gappu's house. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your left, right or front. Imagine this and tell me that when you are entering from gate number B, see in the picture you can see that in one side there is blue one and in other side there is green one. So the question is, the green bench will be to your left side or right side when you are entering from gate number B? Yes, you all are correct. It will be gate, it will be, sorry, not gate, it will be left, it will be in the left of your. So when you are entering from gate B, you can see the green bench is to your left side. Okay, the green bench is in your left side. Yes, for Pine, today up to this only. Zareen is writing Gurudwara. Why Gurudwara, Zareen? Yes, this video I will upload in YouTube. For Pine, this video I will upload in the YouTube, okay? If you have missed anything, you will write from the YouTube. If you have missed, you will write from the YouTube. For Pine, this video I will upload in the YouTube. If anything is missing, you will write from the YouTube, okay? And if you have any queries, write over the chat box or in the e-portal. Now the e-portal is working, so you can ask any of the question or any of the answer in the e-portal, okay? Now the e-portal is working. Noinika, I am not able to understand. You write your question. Noinika, you write your question. I am not able to understand because your voice is not clear to me. Time কটা পর্যন্ত?
30.
Yes, 4 Pine, today up to this only, okay? We will do our next topic in the next class. Today up to this only. Bye all of you.